Hey there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the HCCrates program. So first off, once you've bought it, you want to run it, and it should take a second or two to start up. Once it did, you put on the home page, which really doesn't have anything, as it says here, and you can start editing stuff. So in the messages, what you'd want to do is once you edit it to the format you want, so let's say I want to rename this to Atlantic. That's my server name or whatever. Then I got the message. Do not click off or else it will reset. You want to save it at the bottom. So now if I click off, come back, it'll say Atlantic. You can do it for each of the messages here. And so now let's get into making the actual crates. So let's make a Koth crate. So what you want to do is put your the Koth name or the crate name. This will be the title in the config and the identifier. So basically what that is the name that you'll do in game to give it. So for example, I would do crate give forget the command, but the identifier would be like frolic identifier and the amount or whatever. So the identifier is what you would do there. So we're just gonna put Koth. I recommend just repeating what you have up there. No, let's say a minimum rewards of 2, maximum of 6. Now let's edit the key here. So let's make it red and say Koth crate key. Use this key at an ender chest. Spawn. Okay, so we've now added the crate and we have it selected here. So now what we're going to do is make our first item, which is going to be a Koth sword. So the item name is the name of the item that will show up in the preview GUI or the rewards GUI. And yeah, so Koth sword chance, let's make it a 10% chance to get it. Item ID, this is the ID inside the preview or rewards. So let's just get a sword here, 276. And I think you can actually use diamond sword according to the bucket material names. But if you don't know them, just use the ID and the lore. This will be this is the lore to the item. So here you can be cheaty and make things seem more likely to win, even like that they really are. So I'd recommend putting something like chance. Let's do yellow chance, and I don't know, maybe like a cool arrow. Let's do and M and 8. Okay, and then let's do like make it say 30%, even though in reality it's 10%. Now the commands here, this is the command that's going to run, and the variable for the player is just player. So what we want to do is to make it simple. Let's say you're to make a kit named Koth sword, and basically you do kit Koth sword player. So that's how the player will get the Koth sword. Or you could also do like, let's say give player 276, which is the diamond sword ID, and then 1, so that we can do like Koth. This is for essentials, by the way. And then sharpness. It's a bit far out, but you kind of get the idea. You can type it in here. So let's say you're to do give frolic 276 1 name Koth sword, and then the let's do sharpness 6, breaking 3, fire aspect 2. Does that work? It does work. So you can now like use the click T, press your up arrow, and I'll give your last message. Control A. Go into here, and okay, select. Having a bit of troubles. There we go. Select this. Remove the slash, and here we can just type %player. Even though you can't see the rest over there, which I will make this bigger soon, but it still will run. So there. Add reward. So now, if we go cost, like, you'll just have to refresh it by going back. And here's our reward now. So we can click it, and it'll show up our stuff. So let's add a Koth pickaxe. And same thing. Let's get the ID for diamond pickaxe. 278. Then chance. So 13. And let's just put 13 here. Now let's just do kit Koth pick. There. So now it'll give the Koth pick kit to the player and add reward. And then quickly refresh it. There you go. So now you have Koth pickaxe, Koth sword, and you can keep adding stuff. And then, so once you're done, you want to click export, select a file path. So it'll take a second to load up. I have mine on my desktop here, HCCrates. We're going to save it to here and click export. Now, we have the config file here. All you have to do is open it, select, so Control A to select everything, copy it, and then go to your servers, config.yml, paste it in, and there you go. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.